This is Marvin Gilig. Hola! Have you gone to Misamis Oriental's grace-filled city? Prepare in wonderment as I take you to Asia's home of the biggest statue of the Divine Mercy, El Salvador City. El Salvador is a city in Misamis Oriental which holds a replica of the Divine Mercy, which is patterned from the statue of Jesus Christ, which is the Cristo Redentor or Christ the Redeemer, found in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil and Lux Mundi in the United States of America. Constructed and completed in 2008, the statue is 50 feet tall that functions as a focal point of Divine Mercy Hills, a tract of land overlooking Bacalar Bay. The land serves as a pilgrimage site for Divine Mercy devotees. More than this, the place is totally blessed with the existence of devoted people from all over the place and visiting towns that show the strong-willed faith of devotees coming together to profess their gratitude and love towards the divine providence, especially this Holy Week. Together, with faith, we are forever abundant for sure in Mizor. This is Marvin Gilig, and that's 60 seconds. See you next week.